Lexnura.com helps businesses and individuals navigate complex regulations, contracts, and compliance with clarity and confidence. Need to contact a solicitor or get more help? Change your background into light or dark mode. You have your setting area where you can log out, check your subscription and profile details. Here we have your dashboard. You can scroll down for more options. The dashboard shows total documents, templates, compliance status, all documents generated, recent documents, quick actions, document activity, storage overview, and compliance overview. Each has clickable buttons to take you directly to the corresponding section. The documents place drafts that you have generated. The folder section holds each client's individual documents and cases in one place. You can upload your documents, and it's saved. Summarize and chat with your documents, policies, and contracts. It will summarize and show key obligations and point out risks that need addressing. You can upload new documents or browse existing ones. See on the right where it says Ask Lexnura. It will help you with your question on the document. You upload the document, and it will summarize it for you. It produces an executive summary and key terms, and any risks. It shows any obligations and deadlines also. Automatically saves it. Not sure where to start? We have a list of templates. You can also ask the chat to generate documents for you. Have you been compliant? We have a checker that can check your fiscal year VAT checker, director duties, and obligations as a director tick list. Here tells you the due date and what needs to be done, and has a reminder and a mark as complete when you have completed the task. You can also delete it. VAT registered. Need to check or check if a client is. Here are the director's duties in case you keep forgetting. Here is a list by section of what you need to do each year to keep up with your duties. As you tick off, the process bar fills up. The one you are seeing is what you can do on the free account. You can update to Pro or Business for full access features. Need to find out about a company you're working on? You can do a quick company lookup. Managing contracts, compliance, and important business documents shouldn't feel complicated or overwhelming. With Lexnura.com, everything is designed to be simple, clear, and easy to access in one place. Whether you're starting a business, protecting your work, or handling important agreements, Lexnura helps you move forward with confidence and less stress. Explore the platform today and see how easy professional support can be. Let's get organized.